What you gonna do?
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and I am back. Yes, I am back. There's fuzz in front of my face. Anyway, but I am back on my game, and my hair might look a bit weird, but I got it like half up, half down type of situation. This video is kind of inspired by a pin that I saw on Pinterest, which is a recent obsession of mine. I've been really into Pinterest, so I will link the pin that I found this idea from down below, so that you can go and check it out if you want to. So this video is going to be 10 signs to know if you are overwhelmed and how to fix them. Because we all want to be positive, and when we are not positive, we want to be positive. So let's keep this positive, okay? And also, at the end of this video, I'm going to be announcing something to you guys, which if you guys have liked my Facebook page, you might have a hint of what it is. I will be announcing that at the end of this video, so stay tuned to the outro. Without further ado, let's get on into the video. So the first sign that you want to look out for is difficulty sleeping or sleeping too much. If you notice that you are having difficulty sleeping, then you might want to look into that. But here are some ways to fix them. The best part about this is if you're a YouTuber, the best part about it is that you can make a video that is your nighttime routine. This next one I am guilty of because I don't do it, and that's go to bed at a reasonable time, which means do not go to bed at 6 p.m. or 1 a.m. Maybe try 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 8 p.m., maybe 7:30, start winding down. Next one is to consume a soothing drink, such as tea. Chamomile tea, they said, wow. It can help calm you down, you know, wind down after a long day if you're at work or at school and you're, you know, worked up, and that will help calm you down. This next one is pretty much to put on a diffuser with calming scents like lavender. It can really help you. Just, it's probably best to do it, I mean, you can do it whenever, but you can do it while you're asleep like I do. The next one is you are always tired no matter how much sleep you get. Now I get this way sometimes when I go to bed at maybe 9 p.m. because I'm tired from that day, and I decide to go to bed at 9. I'm still tired that next morning no matter how, you know, it doesn't matter what the situation is, I'm always tired. But a reason for that is that you're not eating healthy, so a tip for that is to eat healthy. Yes, keep your body, you know, with the nutrients it needs to survive. The next one is exercise. Whether that be to go for a walk, or if you have a treadmill, use that. If you have a bike, use that. If you go to a gym, or maybe dancing, maybe like if you own Just Dance, the game, like I do. You know, just get those, you know, body fluids going, if that makes any sense. The third one is that you lack energy. Now, if you're really sluggish and you're more of the like, to help this, do all the things I said before. Eat healthy, exercise, you know, give your body what it needs. I'm guilty. Let's have like a guilt counter down here. Anyway, treat your body good and it will do good for you. I say that, but I'm guilty. Number 4 is if you're high strung or anxious. Some ways to fix that is to take breaks throughout your day. You know, maybe if you work at an office, then maybe look away from your computer screen, or kind of take a break, you know, let your mind be at ease, and then it will be easier to keep going. Find time to be active. If you're a student, then this is really easy because there's a class called gym class, so that's pretty easy. But if you can just maybe walk around, like if you work at an office, or, I mean, it'd be hard for me because I am in a vehicle all day, but try to find ways to be active. Maybe when you go home, kind of do like a little yoga session and do maybe push-ups or sit-ups. You know, find time to be active throughout your day. This next one, I know it can be hard. It can be hard for me, but this one I might not follow as much, and that's to avoid caffeine and alcohol. Now, it's the caffeine that I'm saying for myself because I drink a lot of coffee. I am obsessed with it, so yeah. My birthstone is a coffee bean. Anyway, if you choose to do this one, maybe limit your caffeine intake. I mean, for me, I'm going to just do 1 cup a day. Like, I pick what, like, during my break, I pick what I want to drink, whether that be like an iced latte, a hot latte, iced coffee, whatever. I just drink 1 cup and that's it for the whole day and I'm fine. Number 5, you are stressed out. But now we're stressed out. A way to help that is to ask your manager for a mental health day. Maybe a day off to kind of regather your thoughts, try to be positive, and, you know, just be a positive human being so that you can actually function as a human being. The next one is break down large tasks into small ones for like everyday stuff. I don't know how that would work, but if you have, you know, for school, if you have like a big paper due, then kind of, and it's due at the end of the month and your teacher gives it to you on like the 2nd of the month, you know, do like maybe 2 pages a week, maybe, you know, break it down. Also, have more balance. Number 6, loss of appetite or overeating. Establish an eating routine, which I still need to do. So that means eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and maybe like a snack in between. You know, try to keep a regular going routine that might help you survive and not be hungry all the time like me. Next one is eat healthy foods that give you the nutrition that you need, the energy that you need to live and survive, and also exercise. You know, get those bones moving, get that blood pumping. Yes, do the sweat version of that song, you know, to get your blood flowing, you know. Yeah. Number 7, focusing difficulty. Again, like was said before, break down bigger tasks into smaller ones. Establish a plan of action. So pretty much write down what you're gonna do, and then when it's done, which is also another one here, check it off. If you have a list, say you have a list that says take out garbage, you know, scoop cat box, take dog out for a walk, and then say you did the first task, you check it off. You did the cat box, check it off, and you know, kind of helps you get stuff done. The next one on that little help list thing is to take little breaks. Number 8, lack motivation. This is what I recently encountered in my life, and a way to help that is to self-care, like do self-care, care for yourself, which I think I will do a video all about like the self-care stuff that you can do for yourself, so stay tuned for that video because that should be coming up. Number 9 is keeping to yourself more. Now this is just something that an introvert does. Yeah, because we keep to ourselves, you know, we're more, you know, we keep our thoughts to ourselves because we're just all, you know, thinking all the time. Again, self-care is what can help fix that. And number 10 is moody, emotional. Now for this one, if you have thoughts of suicide, consult your doctor, please. We don't want you dead. Also, counseling can help, you know, go to a therapist to help talk out your feelings and all that, and they can help you through that. They can help you be happy again, be yourself again. Also, take time for yourself. You know, have a moment to appreciate yourself, you know, to help yourself through things. Also, vent to a friend, which I have done before. Vent to a friend, you know, find a friend that you trust that will be there no matter what, and vent to them because they will definitely try to help you through your struggles, through life, all that. So vent to a friend would be a good idea. That was 10 signs to look out for if you are overwhelmed. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button because that would show me that you like my videos. I know you're all waiting for this, but my announcement is that I have started a podcast. It's called But First Create, and the first episode is up now. It's on SoundCloud. I also have a Facebook page for it, so go like that to get updates and stuff about it. So it's called But First Create, and the art I made for it is really pretty. Like, here it is. It's like, it's gorgeous. Like, it's just, I did make it, and I love how it turned out. So go listen to it if you want more of me, because you just can't get enough of me, which thank you if that's the case. Then you can go and only listen to me and not see me as well if you want that as well. I hope this video did help you. Give me a thumbs up if it did. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!